Looks like somebody did a mail call. Oh, hello again. Hello. That's Julia's child, if you didn't know who that was. Hello. King went to get his bikinis on because he'd be bikini washing bikes a little later on in this episode. Yeah, buddy. I just run everybody off. What a mess. What a mess. What do we do? Oh, I got a new toy. And we're going to see if it works. And some screws and stuff. Hold on. Run that intro. I'm back. You watched last week's video, or probably be last week's. I don't remember. Anyway, I did the mirror things. So if you've seen what I showed you and you're seeing this, you see I done made me some. But I had to get me some more because Home Depot didn't have any. So these might work without. I think these are gonna work pretty good. I just wonder, I might have to take that off again and see if the back side protruding any will give you any problems. I don't think it will. Anyway, that's going to be a later episode because I probably won't have time. But I ordered this. This is a cutoff wheel or sheet metal shear. Sure enough. Probably ain't changed it.
Welcome to Blue Black North Channel. Welcome back to Blue Black North Channel. What's up, Gliding on Twos?
Gliding on Twos. He did a little thing on his video. And I jumped the gun and showed him how to do something. He said it's going to be on next week's episode. Which will probably be, you haven't seen it right here. Alright, this goes on a drill. And I need a drill. Drilled, acquired. Alright, then this got to go on this. Goes like this. And got to come up. Okay, that works. Now this is supposed to adjust out so it can hold on to your drill base like so, I guess. Probably like this so you can hold it on there and then tighten your bolt up like so. It's got a little wrench with it, didn't it? Yep. You tighten that down and that locks this in so it won't spin with you. You can go. Let's see if it cuts. Let's see. Nope. Ooh. That's pretty good on cardboard. Oh, and it comes undone. Oh, me. Alright, I think I got it this time. I mean, it cuts cardboard pretty good. Let's see what it does on metal. Oh, shit. Hold on to your cookies. Because that shit cuts. Damn, it did cut it good. It's just a little torquey. I mean, it cut it. And that's what we want. And that's thick stuff, too. I like it. I like it a lot. But the thing about it, that bar is not long enough or something. Because they didn't give me no instruction. Oh, yeah, they did. We just didn't read them. And it says 1, insert the tripod into the choke key. Making sure, because so when you torch that away, so I didn't have, I probably just stripped it out. Maybe I should have read the instructions first, shouldn't I? So this torque is supposed to keep it from doing that number, I guess. So we'll make sure that's in there good and tight this time. Like so. Tighten that Loctite down deal. One more time. I'll use a real wrench. That wrench right there, too big. Yep. And maybe that's what it was when I torqued it. It turned on me. Too much torque. Too much torque. So, that ain't the right wrench for that. I'll fix it in a minute. Alright, this is what I get for buying something off a jungle website for $10. It's not very operator friendly, because no matter where you put this, it's just, it wants to turn on you. And I done bent this rod because it's torqued up too much. And I'm using one, but it does cut flat pieces, but it won't go, it's hard to go in a straight line for a long period of time. Maybe I'm just using it wrong. See, it jams up. But it does, when you're trying to cut a long straight line, it's not worth it. It's not much aggravation. And I'm hot. So that project's going to wait. So now what we're going to do, I guess we can wash the bikes, I guess, because we're going to a spider rally. First annual Georgia Spider Rally. Yeah, buddy. So let me go get Kings and get his bikini on so he can wash the bikes. Yeah, buddy. Not gonna be pretty. I don't know. I think the file got corrupted. I don't know what happened on the bikini bike wash video. Something happened. Anyway, you didn't want to see it. It wasn't pretty. Check out that video there. Oh, nope. You know, read the reviews or something before you jump on buying some kind of gimmick to, you know. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Check out that video there. That one there. Watch this. Hit the subscribe button. We might get into something productive next time. Dicking around in the shed.